Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna give you 3 secrets to make $100 a day even if you're a broke teenager or you're just broke in general. So with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, I just want to let you know that if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well, because I'm putting out content every single day with a ton of value helping you create some more money in your life. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get right into it. So what I'm going to talk about right now is how to create a successful, long-term, sustainable business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. So if you're interested in making a quick buck here and there, I just want to let you know that you are going to search for a long time, because that doesn't exist and you are going to get scammed. So if you really want to create some money online, you better watch this video and other videos on my channel, because otherwise you'll just keep searching on how to make money online and never make any money whatsoever and keep getting scammed. So I just wanted to let you know, because that's one of the biggest things that I see people doing all the time, is trying to make a quick buck and they don't do it. So the first thing that you have to be focusing on every day is to build a brand and an audience. So to do that, you need to create valuable content with a blog or YouTube, and that has to be every day. So you don't want to show your face, that's alright. Just focus on doing some reviews, not showing your face. Some people are making 100 grand a month just doing that. So you don't have to show your face, it doesn't matter. It's better if you do. This is going to help you a lot more. But if you don't want to do that, there are a ton of people that made a ton of money without showing their faces. So you can do tech reviews, you can do anything. Like if you watch my videos, if you watch my video I did like 2 days ago or something like that, you will see that you can create that like in any niche. You just have to pick something that you're really interested in, because that will be something that will take a long time to grow. So you have to do that every day. And if you don't have a ton of cash to blow on ads, and I really mean a ton of cash, because at first it won't work, this is like the only way that you do this. And if you do have a ton of cash, this is still one of the best ways to do this. So free traffic, just create YouTube videos around something that you're really interested in. This is how you are going to get some traffic. I'll repeat that. The way you're going to get some traffic is to make some videos and some blog posts. If you don't do videos and blog posts, or blog posts, you are not going to get traffic. So the best way to do this is creating YouTube videos and blog posts. So if you're wondering why people are not going to your links or something like that, that you're just posting and spamming people on Facebook groups, the reason is because you are not creating some value. So create some value in some videos. This is how you're going to get traffic. Will this get overnight? No, it won't. It will take some time, but this is the way to do it. The second thing is you are going to have to be generating leads every day, because leads are what makes your business. So how do you create leads? You have to create a capture page or a landing page or a squeeze page. It doesn't matter what you call it. This is the same thing. So what you do is you create an ebook on something that you're really interested in which you made a ton of videos about, and you started getting some traction. You start doing that. You create an ebook helping people out further on, and to get that ebook, they have to enter the email, and then you have an email sequence which sends them emails for like a week, helping them out and also giving them some value and promoting some products. And this is where you make some money. So the leads are the way you are going to make some money. If you don't have leads, it will be a lot harder to make some money and create a sustainable business. Number 3 is you have to make some sales. So I just talked about this. This is going to be with email marketing. Once you've done this, that you've created a YouTube channel and making a ton of content, or you've created a blog and created a ton of content, then you got some emails because you promoted an ebook on your YouTube channel and people started entering their emails. So you now have leads. The next thing is you have to make sales, because sales are obvious. I just talked about this, you are going to send them some emails promoting some products that will help your audience. And you really have to make sure that these products actually help your audience. Because if it doesn't help your audience, nobody is going to buy it. If it does, a lot of people will be interested because it will help them out. So you really have what it takes, but you have to stick to it. It's going to be very hard, especially at the beginning, to make some videos and not getting any views, because that's just the reality of it. At the beginning, you just won't get any views. So you just have to stay consistent and continue to pump out some content, and then you just go through what I said in this video. You can watch it a second time if you want. It's not that long, but you just have to do it. You have what it takes. You are on the other side. That means you have an internet connection. You have what it takes. You just have to get to it and start pumping out some content all the time. With that being said, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment and a like. I always appreciate your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.